So, what happens when you're doing all the right things but still feel off? Thanks for watching Marriage Minutes. My name is Daniel. This is my wife, Danny. And maybe you're doing all the right things, but somehow the intimacy or the relationship just feels off right now.
We all know what the right things are, right? Like date night, intimacy, connection,
Yeah.
like,
Praying together,
yeah,
reading
praying
the Bible
together,
together.
all of that. We know what the checklist is, but just because we're checking the boxes doesn't mean that we're creating intimacy in our relationship. Activity is not the same as intimacy. So we need to make space for actual, real connection, for meaningful conversation. We can't just check the boxes. Yep, we read the Bible. Yep, we prayed. Yep, we had a date night this week. But at date night, we were just both on our phones scrolling. Or maybe date nights become a trip to Costco. Like, there's not. So instead of thinking about a checklist, think about your connectedness, how close you feel to your spouse, and make that how you check where your relationship's at,
Yeah.
not the checklist of to-dos that you're doing everything right. Check that things are feeling right. And reprioritize presence over performance. Like, the most important thing is that you're present for each other and that you feel connected. It doesn't matter if not everything on the checklist is getting done. If you go to bed and the dishes are still in the sink, that's okay. Like, give yourself permission to not worry so much about the checklist that you are missing the connection that really matters in your marriage.
That's all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.